Good day, everyone. My name is Warwick Wright. I've just made a new application for the practice of Qaza E Umri. For those of you who don't know, that's actually kind of an Islamic practice for catching up on missed prayers. I've made a light version of this app as well as a full version. So I'm going to demonstrate the light version first to show you how it works. Okay, this application has a one-time setup process. So to use this app, basically up here you have to put in your date of maturity, or the date of Allah as it's otherwise known. So I'll put in a date there, go 19th of the 9th, say 1983. And down here you just put in the dates that you think that you started each of the prayers, or you can actually put an estimate of the amount of prayers missed. So I'll just put the date in there, it'll actually do the maths for you and work out how many you've missed. So we'll start out by putting, say for example, 15th of the 10th, 1983. And down here we'll actually put a number of estimated prayers missed, as well as put 66. Put another date in there, 15th of the 4th, 1988. Go 22nd, the 12th, 1992. And put one last date in here, 16th of the 4th, 1987. So that's quite simple, as you can see there. You just set that up and press finish. And there you go, it's quite simple. Once you've actually done this is a one-time setup process, you won't have to do it again. So for example, if I quit the app and then open up the light version again, as you can see the data's still there the way you left it. The usage is very simple. You simply type a number in here for amount of prayers finished, so I'll click 2, and then I click submit, click subtract file, and that will subtract 2 from 26, making it 24. Nice and simple, go like that, click submit, and that's it, your data's saved. So that's 24, close that down, open up, and it's still 24. Nice and simple. If you make an erroneous input, you can actually hold down on any of the text labels on the right hand side. So for example, hold down there, and you can just simply manually edit those numbers. So okay, 1670, make it 1677 for example, and update, and that's actually gone to 1677. Or you can actually use the plus minus keys, for example, toggle up and down, 67, 68, 69, or go down like that, update, and submit again. So nice simple usage, nothing really to explain there. It's got a little menu on it, so if you hold down the menu key, you'll get a little menu pop up there. You've got a little about thing there that tells you about the app and the developer, help should you need it, and how this app calculates the numbers. Very important to read this, because this app does actually keeps track of your regular prayers as well as your Qaza E Umri prayers. So remember that. So if you don't open up the app for a day, then all your prayer tallies go up by 1. And then basically that's every time you open it up past a minute. But read that and we'll see how it's used. So you've got to rate this app here. So if you want to rate the app and say to the developer how wonderful he is, you can go there. Okay, so we'll go back. So that's the app basically. I'll give you a quick demonstration of the full version. So we'll click this now. I'll have that the Qaza E Umri, the full version. The full version is exactly the same as the version you saw earlier. It's got some online functionality, so it backs up your data to a server as well as a text file, so it keeps your data extra safe. Obviously, you've got a login screen there if you're already a user of the app. You've got the about button there. We can reset the password, usual stuff. So we'll start out by creating a new user. So we'll go right live. We'll go hw.com. HW for hello world. So with a little password in there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And this is exactly the same. Put the date of maturity and the date. It's exactly the same as the other version. So we go 16th of the 9th, say 1983. And we'll just put numbers in this one. So we go 23, we go 18, 15, 90, 66, and say 99. And same, obviously you can put dates in there as well. So we'll put, I don't know, 17th of the 9th, 1983, which will come up, calculate to 1. So there you go, that creates a new user. And again, that's a one-time setup process. You won't actually have to do that again. So there you are, there's all the data there. And the rest of the usage is exactly the same. The only difference with the app is you can actually run it in offline mode if you want. So we'll change that 1 to, I don't know, 5. Update like that, submit, and there you go, it's done. So to take it in offline mode, bring up the menu. The menu is exactly the same except for the settings button. Bring it in offline mode. Yeah, if you don't want to use it online, and we'll subtract 6 from that, make it 12, submit, and there you go. Quit the app, open up again, and as you can see, all the data is still there. So if you make a submission offline, like this, and then you put it back online. What happens is when the app opens up, it automatically synchronizes your data and actually uploads the data, keep the server up to date. So we'll quickly show that. So because it's synchronized with a server, you can actually use the device on more than one. You can actually use the app on more than one device. So and it'll keep both devices up to date. So for example, if you make a submission on this app, then open up another app, then that latest submission would download to the second app, if that makes sense. Quickly close this demonstration by showing you where the backup files are saved. This isn't really that important. You don't really need to know this part of the app, but I'll show you anyway. There's two folders there. You got Q and Q Lite. Obviously, one's where the Q Lite version saves the data, the other Q is for the full version. And all it is there, basically, is just a text file. So if you want to, you can actually back that file up. And when you install the app again, you put the file back, and just in case you want to save your data. But that's not actually that important. You don't actually need to concern yourself with that if you don't need to. So that's the demonstration. Thank you for listening to the demonstration. Hope you use my application. Rate it for the developer for me. And I will bid you a good day.